I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your YouTube TV subscription on a mobile device. And to be clear, you can't cancel your YouTube TV subscription through the mobile app, and you have to cancel it through a mobile web browser. Step 1. Open a web browser on your mobile device and then navigate to tv.youtube.com. Again, you can't cancel YouTube TV through the mobile app, and you have to do it through a web browser. Sign in to your Google account associated with your YouTube TV account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on a screen that looks like this. Step 2. Tap your profile icon on this screen to open a menu and then tap Settings. The membership screen is displayed. Step 3. Find Base Plan in this list, which should be near the top, and then tap Manage associated with that option. Step 4. Swipe down until you see Cancel Your Membership, and then tap Cancel in this section. The next screen lets you know the date you'll have access to YouTube TV through if you move forward with canceling, and asks if you're sure you want to move forward. Step 5. Tap Yes, Cancel. You'll briefly see a note letting you know that your YouTube TV subscription was canceled, and then you'll be bounced out to the membership screen where you can see in red text the date you'll have access to YouTube TV through. The service will be canceled and won't be auto-renewed after that date. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.